Hello and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Leticia and I post content on cleaning and cooking and a little bit of everyday life. So we are cooking together, so come along, wash your hands, and then we can start cooking. So this is how my chicken gizzard look like. I'm just making a small quantity just for myself. And this is how it looks like. So I'm gonna take it out and clean it up. And I'm gonna add some white vinegar just to clean it thoroughly. So when you are cleaning your gizzards, you have to make sure you remove this yellow layer here. You don't want to cook it with this. Some of it have it, some of it don't. So make sure this yellow layer here, you remove it. Otherwise, if you cook it with it, your gizzard will be so hard. Make sure you remove every bit and piece of it, just like so. So after I have washed everything, I'm going to transfer my my gizzards into my pan. So now that I have my gizzard here, I am going to start seasoning. I'm going to put some allspice, I'm sorry. Just like that. I'm going to put some white pepper, like so. Add a little bit of salt, like that. And I'm going to add some bay leaves. One. I'll put a good 3 over there. And then I'm just going to stir it just to make sure all the seasoning is evenly coated on each gizzard. And I'm going to let this boil until it softens up. And I'm going to add a little bit of water so we can just get the boiling effect here to soften up our meat. And we're going to let it do its thing. So these are the vegetables I'm going to add in my gizzards. I have eggplant, onions, bell peppers, and tomatoes. So you can see that our gizzards, the water has completely dried up. You have to make sure you try it, you taste it, and make sure it is tender. So when the water dries up like this, I'm going to add some oil. I'm going to add some oil and start frying this. So now I'm going to add some onions. And some bell peppers. Now I'm adding my eggplants. Adding my tomatoes. After adding all my vegetables, I'm going to add a little bit of paprika. Like so. Then I'm going to add 1 Maggi cube. You don't have to add a Maggi cube if you don't want to. I just added some because I felt like my food needed a little bit more salt, so I added 1 Maggi cube. And I'm gonna add some red pepper chili flakes. And I'm also gonna add my pepper. This is habanero pepper because I want it spicy. So I'm gonna add a teaspoon of habanero pepper. If you don't like your food spicy, then you don't have to add this in. And we're gonna mix it like so. And we're gonna add a tad bit of water, like that, like that. We don't really want it to boil, but we want it just to simmer. So all the ingredients that we have added, so we can blend together. So this is how our gizzard is looking. It is ready to eat. All our vegetable has softened up. So this is it. So I am gonna make some fufu. That's what I'm gonna have my my gizzards with. So I'm making some fufu. So guys, this is it. My food is ready. So thank you guys for tuning in and following my recipe. And I am about to go and eat. So I will see you on my next video. Bye.